This morning I have had the much welcome news that an agreement has been reached through negotiation and table talk between the Pakistani government and the Awami Joint Action Committee. I understand that as of this morning, the internet and communications blackout has been removed in full and that an agreement has been reached on the very reasonable demands of the Awami Joint Action Committee. I pray for all those who tragically lost their lives, and my thoughts and prayers remain with their friends and family. This is why this news is very welcome, because we cannot allow for any further tragedies or unrest. And I'm particularly grateful to the Government of Pakistan and the High Commissioner here for maintaining direct communications with MPs, and in particular with myself as chair of the all-party parliamentary group, and actually listening to the asks that we made in our collective letter. I now make a further plea that all the agreement in full must be respected and adhered to, and I'm very hopeful that it will be. I also want to thank the leadership and the members of the Joint Awami Action Committee for their reasonable stance and for their involvement in the negotiations, which have concluded very positively. Finally, let us all remember the sons and daughters of Indian-occupied Kashmir that continue to suffer brutality, persecution, oppression and injustice. And I, as chair of the all-party parliamentary group on Kashmir, will continue to make sure that the voices of Kashmiris are heard on every international platform, that human rights, civil liberties and civil rights of Kashmiris are always protected. Thank you.